How to turn off notification on PayPal. Are you guys facing issues to turn off notification on PayPal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the PayPal, now log in into your account with the registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options over here. Click on notification preference and turn off all these options. Once you turn it off, you won't get notification from PayPal. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna turn off notification on PayPal app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding PayPal, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.